Hello students, today we shall discuss the second chapter of physics, motion in one dimension. In this chapter we shall discuss the types of physical quantity. What is physical quantity? Those quantity which can measured is called physical quantities. There are two types of physical quantities. First, a scalar quantity and second is vector quantities. We shall start the first scalar quantities. What is a scalar quantity? Means those quantity having only magnitude is called scalar quantities. Means what is the definition of scalar quantity? Those physical quantities having only magnitude are called the scalar quantity. Example: mass, time, distance, speed, area, volume, pressure, electric current, energy, etc. are scalar quantities. Scalar quantity needs, there are three parameter needs for showing scalar quantities. First, unit, two parameter, not three, only two parameter. First, unit, and second, numerical value. So if we want to measure the mass, we need what is the magnitude? If mass 5 kg, mass of a body is 5 kg, Here 5 is numerical value and kg is unit. The scalar quantities can be added subtracted, multiplied and multiplied by simple arithmetic methods. Means scalar quantities can be added, subtracted and multiplied by simple arithmetic means. If we want to add 5 kg and 5 kg, it can be simply added as 5 plus 5 plus 5 means 10 kg. So scalar quantities can be added simply in arithmetic way. Also it can be multiplied or subtracted as same way. As for example, 10 meter, if we subtract 10 meter, if we subtract 5 meter from 10 meter, then its value is 10 minus 5 meters. So scalar quantities can be added, subtracted and multiplied by simple arithmetic method. Scalar quantities can be simply represented by English letter. As for example, if you want to represent mass, it can be only represented by m. If we want to represent the speed, it can be represented by u or v, simply letter u or v. Let us start second point, vector quantities. Those physical quantities having magnitude as well as direction are called vector quantities. There are three parameters needed to show vector quantities. First, unit. Second, numerical value. and third is direction. So to show vector quantity, three parameters are needed. First unit, second numerical value, and third is direction. Example of vector quantity: displacement, force, acceleration, displacement, force, accelerations, momentum, etc. are vector quantities. In these quantities, we shall need magnitude as well as directions. As for example, if we want to show force, if a body applied forces on this table 5 newtons, so the direction of force in downward directions. So in the vector quantity needs magnitude and direction. A vector quantity is written with an arrowhead represented the given symbols. As for example, the symbol of force is F, and if we want to represent it, we can give an arrow sign over it. Another examples, if the unit of the velocity is represented by V, and since it is vector quantity, so we can give an arrow sign over it. So vector quantities is represented by arrowhead over symbol. They cannot be added simple arithmetic methods. If we want to add 5 Newton of force, 5 newtons force and 3 newtons of force, 3 newtons of force, so we cannot add these two force, 5 Newton plus 3 newtons, 8 newtons. So they can be not be added simply by arithmetic methods. Vector quantities follow different algebra for their addition, subtraction and multiplication. So it is not added or subtracted arithmetically.